Tired of emotionally unavailable partners? Here is the secret: how to stop settling and attract the love you truly deserve. The proven way to break free from toxic love patterns. Imagine never wasting another moment on emotionally unavailable partners. You deserve a love that is real, authentic, and fulfilling, and the secret to attracting it lies within you. If you have ever found yourself stuck in a cycle of attracting partners who are hot and cold, emotionally distant, or just plain unavailable, you know how painful it is. You're giving your all, but it feels like you're always chasing after something that never fully arrives. It's exhausting, isn't it? You're left feeling rejected, undervalued, and questioning what's wrong with you. You're successful, powerful, and independent, but in your love life, it feels like you're always settling for less than you deserve. And each time it happens, it chips away at your confidence. What if you could break free from this pattern and start attracting partners who are emotionally available, present, and ready to invest in you? It is not about changing them. It is about unleashing your feminine magnetism, the key to attracting the right kind of love. My name is Luba Evans, and I have spent over 20 years helping women like you reclaim their power and transform their love life. As a Harvard speaker and master love coach, I have guided thousands of women to attract the kind of love they truly deserve by simply embracing their natural feminine magnetism. Like my client Jessica, who was tired of emotionally unavailable men who left her feeling empty and alone. She tried everything: YouTube videos, talks, therapy, other coaches, even changing herself to fit his needs, but nothing worked. That's when she discovered my proven feminine magnetism techniques. In just a few days, Jessica shifted her energy, and suddenly her magnetic switch was on and everything changed. She started attracting men who saw her worth, who were open, loving, and ready for a real connection. Today, Jessica is in a beautiful, supportive relationship with a partner who cherishes her. She no longer has to settle or chase because she has learned to attract what she deserves by being her authentic, magnetic, feminine self.
Ladies, let's get real. You are successful, driven, and you've climbed every ladder. But when it comes to love, does it feel like you're always drawing the short straw? Maybe it is another lonely night staring at your phone, wondering why you can't attract the partner who truly sees you. Or maybe you are in a relationship that has lost its spark, where you are doing everything, working, giving, leading, but feeling like something is missing. Sounds familiar? It's time to change that. Welcome to Unleash Your Feminine Magnetism, a 5-day life experience where you will learn to step out of your head and into your heart, into your true magnetic feminine power. In just 1 hour a night, we're going to dismantle everything holding you back from love, success, and respect. You can do it from your couch, your bed, heck, even from the bathtub, if that's your vibe. Let's break down what is waiting for you. Day 1, you were born magnetic. Listen, society has told you that you have to be perfect, that you have to hustle, that you have to be the best at everything. But what has that left you with? Overworked, overwhelmed, and feeling invisible. On day 1, we are going to release those lifelong blocks. You will clear the self-doubt, and you will finally see that your imperfections are not your weaknesses. They are your superpower. We are going to strip away the self-judgment, and you will walk away knowing deep in your bones that you are deserving of the love, the joy, and the life you've been chasing. Imagine that inner critic silenced for good. Imagine stepping into every room radiating a confidence that is unshakable. This is the key that unlocks everything. Day 2, love blueprint, and deserving mind. Here's the hard truth. You're stuck in the same patterns because of an outdated love blueprint that has been running your life like a bad script. It is why you keep attracting unavailable men, narcissists, or settling for less than you deserve. On day 2, we are ripping up that script. You will uncover the hidden beliefs that are sabotaging your relationships, and you're going to rewrite them once and for good. You will step into a deserving mindset where fear, anxiety, and those old stories lose their grip on you. Just imagine shedding that weight and stepping into a place of calm, sexy confidence, knowing that the love you crave is on its way to you without any struggle. Day 3, live feminine magnetism activation, my famous triple spark method that everybody is dying to learn. This is where the magic really happens. Ever feel like you're giving and never getting back what you need? That ends on day 3. Day 3 is about shifting from that overgiving masculine energy that has been blocking your magnetism and awakening the irresistible radiant queen within you. This isn't just talk. This is action. You will discover your pleasure first breakthrough, awakening your sensual power and activating your magnetic feminine presence. We are talking about drawing love, wealth, and joy to you like a magnet without lifting a finger. Imagine what it is like to be seen, desired, and cherished effortlessly. Day 4, build your empire. Your story, your rules, your financial freedom. Who says you can't have it all? This day is about taking your newfound magnetism and using it to create the life and legacy that you've always dreamt of. You will learn to align your gifts and passions to build an empire that is not just successful, but soul aligned. We're talking $1 million ventures, influence, impact on your terms. No more playing small, no more feeling stuck. This is your chance to turn your story into your power to make money in a way that feels good and supports the life you want to live. Day 5, magnetic communication. Here's the deal. You can have all the magnetism in the world, but if you don't know how to communicate it, it's like having a Ferrari stuck in first gear. On day 5, we dive into magnetic communication, my secret weapon. You will learn the exact phrases and techniques to navigate every conversation, whether it is with a potential partner, a client, or your boss, with grace, charm, and power. Master the art of flirting, infuse every interaction with a playful energy, and watch as you naturally draw people into your orbit. You will leave with the skills to persuade, connect, and captivate like never before. The bottom line, this isn't just a course. This is your chance to break free from the waiting room of your life, to stop feeling undervalued, overworked, and overlooked. It's time to step into your power, claim your desires, and attract the love, success, and respect you've been craving. Don't let another day go by feeling stuck. Grab your spot in Unleash Your Feminine Magnetism 5-day life coaching experience only for $97 nominal fee. It is time to become the magnetic, powerful, irresistible queen you were born to be. Seats are limited and the transformation starts the moment you say yes. So what are you waiting for? Click that button, claim your seat, and let's unleash your feminine magnetism together.
Imagine waking up to heartfelt messages, feeling seen, loved, and appreciated every single day. You need to claim your spot right now before it is too late. Join us today for only $97 and take the first step towards the relationship that truly fulfills you.